Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar, and we have a very interesting product here for unboxing here. And if you guys remember, last year we had done a very detailed video on a very smart air purifier and from a company called as Smart Air, and that was this one which you could set it up at your bedroom or your office room or your cabin, wherever you would like to. But today they have upgraded this package into a super sized Ladakh mini air purifier. Well, when I call the name Ladakh mini, it's the smaller variant. They in fact have a bigger variant than this one, which is called as Ladakh, and this one is a super big sized air purifier for your, not just your home, probably for your gym or maybe for your office. So let's say our office space here is around 900 square feet. In fact, the studio room itself is almost around 800 square feet, and this one has a capacity of cleaning air up to 900 square feet in just 25 minutes. Well, that's super good. So let me just quickly open up this package and take a look at what is the package content and also what kind of features does this product offer. If I talk about the pricing, it's around 35,000 rupees. So it's not for everyone who is looking for, a smart air purifier for home. But then, as much as I recall, this company Smart Air is not some random brand which would charge a super premium. They would actually offer you with a super cost effective price point. And if you go to their website, you could probably see the comparison with other brands like Blue Air or Philips or other comparisons in terms of the air output, the air quality, and the amount of air cleaned versus the price you're investing on this product. On that note, let me just quickly open this package and show you the contents of the same. The first thing which we get within the package is this Smart Air's reading manual, which has a lot of information on this product and which can be helpful in setting it up. Within the box, we also have a power adapter and a separate adapter in case you would like to have a probably different power output or input. Then you could probably make a use of this one. And here we go, that's the Smart Air with a good set of wheels, which is very important. So in case you would like to move this from probably your one office part to the other part of your office, or let's say you have a gym and you would like to also have a fresh air, because after a lot of people using the gym, there would be a lot of different foul smell and also probably a lot of pollution because there are different people coming into your gym or maybe at your home. Then you can keep moving this. And in terms of branding, you can take a look that it has a very subtle Smart Air branding and a lot of holes, and that's obviously because it has to pull in the air and also pull out the air. And on the back, this is what we get. Now, talking about the back part, this is where you have the different filters. Now, if you take a look at this, there are different controllers here, like the speed output controller. It's probably more like a industrial product with actual very high quality switches, and here is additional information about the power output and everything. And this is the main filter, which can be opened up by probably loosening up these screws and then changing these filters. And behind this we have a very large fan. So let me just connect this up, plug this up into the power supply, and then show you a complete demo of the same. So the power supply has been connected and now it's time to boot this up. So this is how we have started it, and the fan has started rotating, as you can see here. Now I could already experience some air coming on the front part, which is the other side of this unit. That's where you can experience or you can feel that there is airflow coming out. And that's at maximum speed, which when I say maximum speed, then it's at the highest speed wherein it would be cleaning highest amount of air. And I'll be just connecting a air quality monitor here and then showing you a demo of the same that can give you an idea on how quick does this clean the air and how efficient is this product for your home. So guys, that was a complete demo of the Smart Air Ladakh Mini Air Purifier from the brand called Smart Air, which I have been trusting because I have been using their other small little product, which was their first product. And this one is a super big sized product for your home, office, gym, or any place wherever you'd like to set it up. And right now, fun fact, if you notice, there's no noise in the background, though the air purifier is working. So it's doing its job, it's cleaning up the air in the background, and that can give you a complete idea on how silent it is for your home or office. So this was a complete demo, and I hope you have understood the benefit of these products. And if you're not, you can check out the other air purifier videos on our channel, which can give you a complete idea on why you should buy one of these products. I've given a link in the description in case you would like to buy one of these. And this was a complete unboxing and a demo of the same. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and share, subscribe to Phone Life for more videos like these. I'm Amit, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.